Yes, welcome to Shri Cycle channel. Dear student, today discuss about one more question from the chapter surface areas and the volume. The class 10th standard. Question is very lengthy. What is given here? Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two holes attached at its two ends by using thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model. So important. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter and the length is 12 centimeter. Yes, I am underlining what is given here. And if each cone has the height of 2 centimeter, find the volume of the air contained in the model. So this is the question. So let us draw the diagram using. So let us draw the diagram here. Yes. Okay. So here the Rachel is the engineering student. He made one model. The model is in the shape of the cylinder, and the end of the cylinder is it is made by two cones, and the height of the model is given. The height of the model is how much? The height of the model is 12 centimeter. So this is the model of the height of the model. And next, diameter of the model. So from here to this point, that is equal to 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, and the height of the cone, the two cone, its height measure same, that is equal to 2 centimeter. And notice here, and here also it is 2 centimeter. The height of the cone also 2 centimeter, and the height of the cylinder is not given. I mean here to this point. So we have to calculate the height of the cylinder also. So before starting this problem, we have to write everything what is given in the question. That is in case of cylinder and cone, the diameter of the cylinder is 3 centimeter and the radius is 3.2 centimeter. Similarly, the diameter of the cone is same, because the diameter here the reason, at this reason the cone and the cylinder is combined. So the diameter of the cone also 3 centimeter and the radius is 3/2 centimeter. And one more, the height of the cone is given, and height of the total height of the model also given. The height of model is equal to 12 centimeter. So here I will consider H1 and H2 are the height of the cylinder and the cone. Yes, we will take net H1 and H2 are the height of cylinder and cone. So H1 is the height of the cylinder and H2 is the height of the cone. So here how to calculate the height of the cylinder? The height of the model, not a cylinder. Okay, yes, height of the cylinder. Height of cylinder is equal to the height of the model. The height of model minus height of two cones. That is 12 centimeter. So it should not write double that. 12 centimeter minus two cones. The height of the two cones. The height of one cone is so much 2 centimeter. Height of the two cone, that gives 12 minus 4, 8 centimeter. So this is nothing but the height of the cylinder, that is H1. So H1 is the height of cylinder. So we consider here H1 is the height of cylinder and H2 is the height of the cone. So we got here H1, which is the height of the cylinder as 8 centimeter. H2 is given already, that is height of the cone is 2 centimeter. Now we have to calculate the volume of the air present in the model. How much air is there inside this model. So that is equal to the sum of the volume of the two cones and the volume of the cylinder. So this is very important part of the calculation. Let us continue. Let us continue here. These are kept here because I want to substitute all these things. The volume of air present in the model. The volume of air present in the model. In the model is equal to sum of the volume of or the volume of air present in cylinder plus 2 poles. Okay na? Then what is the volume of the cylinder? The volume of the cylinder is, now the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, but here the height of the cylinder I taken as h1 and the 2 times the cones, its volume is how much? 1 by 3 pi r square h2. So here the height of the cone is h2. Okay, let us substitute everything here. Okay, see here what is common. The pi r square is common here. Pi r square is common. I will bring outside. Inside the bracket, h1 plus 2 by 3. 2 divided by 3. So h1 plus 2 by 3 into h2. So this is okay, into h2. Now pi value is 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7 into what is r? R is 3 by 2. Okay, r is 3 by 2. That is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. So next, h1 is the height of cylinder we calculated here, that is 8 cm plus 2 by 3 into h2. The height of the cone is 2 cm. So dear student, so whenever you are substituting everything in the formula, be careful, and simplification also very important. Do it properly. Then here, see, we can hear these all fractions. 2 ones are 2 11s are. Then 11 into 3 into 3 is 99, and in the denominator 7 2 10 is 40. 99 divided by 40. And inside the bracket we have to simplify this calculation. This what is this? 8 plus 2 by 3 into 2. That is 8 plus 2 2 is 4. 4 divided by 3. And you know that when see here inside the bracket you have a whole number and a fraction. So how to reduce or how to add these two? Very simple. Do multiplication here. 3 8s are 24 plus 4 divided by 3. Then what we are getting here? 99 divided by 40 into 28 divided by 3. So that gives 99 divided by 40 into 28 divided by 3. Okay. Then next 3 ones are 3 3s are and 3s are. Again here this is 4. 4 ones are 4. Sorry, this is 14. 14 ones are 14 twos are. So last finally 33 2 is 33 into 2 is 66 centimeter cube. So this is nothing but volume of the air present inside the model. The volume of the air present inside the volume is equal to sum of the volume of the air present in the cylinder and the 2 poles. So this way you have to calculate this problem. I hope you understand this problem. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe Sri Sai YouTube channel. Thank you.